Not all SUVs are built the same, and in 2025, some models have gained a reputation for constant repairs, electrical headaches, cheap build quality, and expensive maintenance. So today, we're counting down the 12 most unreliable SUVs of 2025, the ones you should think twice before buying. Let's jump right in. Number 12. Jeep Cherokee, 2022 to 2025. Known for its off-road heritage, the Cherokee unfortunately struggles with transmission failures, electrical glitches, and poor reliability scores over the past few years. Owners report rough shifting, stalling, and dashboard malfunctions, problems that continue to affect the 2025 models. Number 11. Ford Explorer, 2020 to 2025. The Explorer is extremely popular, but that doesn't save it from recurring issues. The biggest problems? Engine overheating, coolant leaks, and random electronic malfunctions. Repair costs are high, and complaints have been piling up since 2020. Number 10. Volkswagen Tiguan, 2021 to 2025. Great design, poor reliability. The Tiguan has suffered from turbocharger failures, excessive oil consumption, DSG transmission jerks, and electrical bugs. Owners love the looks, but hate the repair bills. Number 9. Land Rover Discovery Sport, 2019 to 2025. Land Rover has long struggled with reliability, and the Discovery Sport continues the trend. Expect leaks, suspension issues, sensor failures, drivetrain warnings, and expensive maintenance. It's luxurious until something breaks. Number 8. Chevrolet Traverse, 2022 to 2025. The Traverse is roomy, powerful, and family-friendly, but reliability, not so much. The most common issues include timing chain problems, electrical faults, air conditioning failures, and random shutoffs while driving. Number 7. Nissan Pathfinder, 2020 to 2025. The Pathfinder was redesigned to fix older problems, but some issues remain. Owners report CVT transmission hesitation, infotainment freezes, and brake system faults. Nissan has improved, but reliability still lags behind competitors. Number 6. BMW X5, 2019 to 2025. The X5 is powerful and luxurious, but long-term reliability isn't its strong point. Expect air suspension failures, coolant system problems, sensor malfunctions, hybrid battery issues, and high labor costs. Repairs can get painfully expensive. Number 5. Mercedes-Benz GLE, 2020 to 2025. Mercedes makes incredible interiors, but the GLE is notorious for electrical problems, MBUX crashes, air suspension leaks, and drivetrain warnings. The 2025 model still struggles with software bugs. Number 4. Jeep Grand Cherokee, 2021 to 2025. A favorite in the SUV world, but also a top offender for reliability. The Grand Cherokee commonly experiences 4xe hybrid failures, battery drain, transmission problems, and glitchy electronics. Owners are frustrated with constant service visits. Number 3. Land Rover Range Rover Velar, 2018 to 2025. The Velar is beautiful, but beauty comes at a cost. This SUV is packed with sensor failures, electrical shutdowns, infotainment lag, fuel system issues, and very high maintenance costs. Reliability has been one of its biggest weaknesses. Number 2. Alfa Romeo Stelvio, 2018 to 2025. Fun to drive and stylish, but extremely unreliable. The Stelvio suffers from drivetrain faults, electrical breakdowns, poor build quality, ECU failures, and inconsistent part availability. Repairs are expensive and sometimes slow. Number 1. Land Rover Range Rover, 2020 to 2025. And at number 1, the king of unreliability, the Range Rover. Common issues include air suspension collapses, sensor errors, random shutdowns, coolant leaks, software bugs, electrical failures, plus extremely high repair costs. So, there you have it, the 12 most unreliable SUVs of 2025. If you're shopping for a used or new SUV this year, make sure you know what you're getting into. Some of these models might look amazing, but long-term, they can drain your wallet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another car breakdown.